It's bright. Hey y'all, so I'm about to get ready for a date night, but I am wearing makeup that I put on earlier today. So I wanted to show you guys how I refresh my makeup for a night out. So let's do it. We're gonna do my hair too. My makeup does look pretty shiny. Hopefully the music upstairs is not copyright music, but it's my parents playing like their Christmas music and stuff. So I'm not even gonna, hopefully it's cool. But anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and blot my face. First thing I do, I couldn't find my blotting sheets, you guys, so I'm gonna use tissue paper, toilet paper, to blot my face. I feel like toilet paper is like my next best bet because it's really thin and it doesn't take away too much makeup. Alright, so I just blotted everything off my face. Alright, so I'm going to apply some of this Kat Von D powder. It's a really full coverage powder that I really love. Okay, so I just repowdered my face so that I can have some more coverage, and I'm going to take my setting spray and spray my face. This is the Smashbox setting spray. I'm just going to spray this all over. It's really, really good. So earlier today I used a Jackie Aina palette. You can see it on my lids, and I just used one shade. I used the shade Pinker. So I'm going to go back into this palette and I'm going to take the shade Zam. I'm going to take, should I use dollars? Now I'm gonna use Zam and put this all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna take a small brush like this. So I did that to add some sparkle to my eyelids. So I'm gonna take the shade Edges. Alright, so I'm going to take some black eyeliner. This one is from Pat McGrath. And I'm going to just put this in my waterline. I did take away my contour and stuff like that, so I'm going to go back in with the Patricia Bright palette, and I'm just going to add some more contour to my face because I took that away when I added the powder. I'm going to use the Jackie Aina highlighter. So I need to do my hair because I want to do like curls. You guys know I hate doing hair. I say that every time, I hate doing my hair. But I do want to do some like curls today. I'm gonna use a curling iron, I think, and then maybe a curling wand. I have both out, but I'm not sure which one I'm gonna I think I'm gonna start with the curling iron because I already have it charged up. This is my curling iron. It's from Beauties. Alright, so when I do... Alright guys, so my camera just fell. I'm going to do the back a little bit different because I don't want the curls to be as tight. So what I'm going to do is just wrap the hair down here, and I'm going to just wrap it around the curling iron like this. It's really long hair, so it's not going to, you know, like this part of the hair is barely going to get any heat. So I'm just going to leave it on for a little while and then I'm going to drop it. Like slowly drop it. I'm like squeezing this part slowly, and then this is kind of what you get. So it's gonna be like a very loose curl that way in the back. I need to fix the front because I hate the way it looks. I think I might do the front with the wand, to be honest, because I'm not feeling it. All right, so I'm gonna use my curling wand. I have my glove because I want to redo like some parts of the front. I'm gonna use this T3 curling wand. It's get a little hotter than the flat iron, so it does get a little hotter than the curling iron. I just want to show you guys, this is how I curl both sides, and then I brushed it out like this to create big waves. So I created this really nice beachy wave. So whew. The jewelry I'm wearing tonight, I'm wearing my little jade necklace, which I felt like was appropriate for tonight. And I'm wearing this black tank top. This is from Express, I think. Hey guys, so we just arrived. We're walking to the restaurant. It's actually really nice outside right now. It's like not winter. Let's go. Here's the restaurant. Honey, say hi. We are getting sushi. We just ordered. And I have my little tray here. Wait, let's read the directions.
No directions. Yeah, you gotta push it down. You ready? Doesn't want to break me.
Okay, got it.
It's fine.
Look at this shore. This is my food. Well, this is my shrimp tempura, and Johnny got something called
Angry Dragon.
Angry Dragon. Yes. Let me get my chopsticks. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I wanted to just close out this vlog so you guys can get a proper outro. But we're just gonna watch a movie and hang out. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.